Hi friends, today we're going to be working with word problems with fractions, and we've been doing a lot of fraction work this year, so dust off the old fractions container in the brain and work with me. So Mrs. Brown, I'm making some lemonade. Hey, making lemonade. I'm going to have a half a cup of water, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/8 cup of sugar. Ooh, it's going to be sweet. How many cups did she use in all? We're going to be adding. It's a late night. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm still at school. Oh, I'm getting a little crazy. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to stack up my fractions. 1/2, 1/4. Are we going to fit? Are we going to fit? And 1/8. I just fit. All right, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, and I'm going to add them up. Dun, 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 dun. I can't do that. I don't have like denominators. Oh, what are we going to do? Oh, simple fix. We are going to multiply these fractions, and we're going to get some fraction of like denominators, and then it's going to be easy. All right, this column over here, we're going to pretend like this is times 1, and we're going to work our way across. We're going to have times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, and I could keep going if I needed to. I think I'm going to stop there. All right, whatever I do to the numerator, the top number, I have to do the denominator, the bottom number. Here, let's see if I can point on it. Whoop, look at you and I can point. All right, 1/2. We're gonna multiply the numerator times 2, and denominator times 2. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. I'm gonna keep going across. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. Moving across, move back up to the 1. 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. One more for this column. 1 times 5 is 5. Thank you, friends. 2 times 5 is 10. You're amazing. We're scooting down, working with 1/4. Again, we're going to multiply the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, by the same number. So we're going to start multiplying numerator and denominator this time by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. The next one, 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. The next one, 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Moving along. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. All right, here we go. 1/8. All right, 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Whew, it's been a long day. All right, moving along. 1 times 4 is 4. I've lost my train of thought. Oh, 8 times 4 is 32. Sorry, I'm losing it. 1 times 5 is 5. And 8 times 5, do you all know? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I thought you said 40. 40. Oh, I just did a lot of work. But it's going to pay off. All right. Ooh, I don't know if you can see. Oh, so much better. All right. Now I've got to look at all of my fractions. I've got to look for fractions for 1/2, fractions for 1/4, fractions for 1/8. And I'm looking for common denominators. Okay. So I'm looking and I'm looking. Right here I see 4 and 4 as a denominator that's common. But down here, I don't see a 4 as a common denominator. So I'm still going to look. Ooh, look what I see. 4 8s, 2 8s, and 1/8. Do all of these have a common denominator of 8? Well, yes, they do. So I'm going to add it up over here. 4 8s plus 2 8s plus 4 8s, 2 8s plus 1/8 equals. Once I have common denominators that are all the same, look at that 8. I can add across the top. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 7/8. Whoop, gotta scoot my board down. There you go, 7/8. Okay, so you have to find common denominators. The only way you're going to be able to do that and be sure of your answer is writing out equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions, we multiplied for 1/2, we multiplied numerator and denominator by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. 1/4, same thing. 1/8, same thing. Then we looked for common denominators. Once we have common denominators, we can add and we can subtract with common denominators. This is the best way to make sure you're not going to make a mistake. I was going to say easiest, but a lot of kids think, oh, well, that work's not easy. It might take a little extra time, but if you just show your work, you're going to do really well. All right, so I'm going to load this video up and hopefully give you a little taste of what we're getting into with fractions. Good luck, friends.